Hi everyone, this is Mr. SBN Kumar. Again I came with you with another video which is continuous to previous class. I think last video we discussed about some introductions to marketing, some basic fundamentals we discussed in previous video. Now today we are going to get some awareness about introduction to marketing. Of course, marketing is an art of getting sales, and marketing is a function which is very important for every business who wanted to survive in this competitive market. Marketing is a biggest opportunity to every business who wanted to success in their field of marketing. Of course, knowing of marketing is very mandatory for everyone. If you take example, think about yourself. If you take example, after completion of your graduation or any PG, you should need to express about yourself. You should need to tell about yourself, and you should need to give your information with using of your pamphlet called resume, and with using of that resume you are going to approach some companies for purchasing, for the purpose of achieving some good jobs. See here, marketing of yourself is very important. Even not only yourself. This is example as I told you. If take example for a company who wanted to establish in this market. So if take it as a very startup company or any company which is already existed, so both companies marketing is mandatory. I think these are the things we already discussed in previous video. Okay, so finally I would like to tell you is marketing is mandatory for everyone. For business it is mandatory, for individuals it is mandatory, for politicians it is mandatory, for everyone in this globe need marketing. Marketing is a social activity for social need, because marketing is the subject only talks about needs, wants, expectations of consumers and customers. Okay. So now before going to know some depth subject of marketing, you should need to get some fundamentals of marketing, like nature of marketing. Of course, marketing is having some nature. How a human being is having some nature, like some person is having some aggressive nature, some person is having a nature of simplicity, like a nature of giving some humming and some laughful safe face. So this type of humans we can able to observe like that. Even marketing is also having this type of nature. If you take example, marketing is a nature's like it is just like a dynamic process. Yes, marketing is a dynamic process. It is a continuous process. At any cost, a company who would like to enter into this market, they should need to face the any type of competition. If you want to face that type of competition, the adapting of marketing is very mandatory. Listen carefully. And marketing is a nature of dragging the company into busy. Okay. And yes, marketing why it is very dynamic process means it is a never-ending process. Always think about customer expectations. Always think about what company is expecting, and always think about what market is going, and always think about what type of new innovations are taken by our competitors. So these are all the things we should need to understand while you are doing your marketing function. So that is why the nature of marketing is just like a dynamic process. Okay, and another nature is it is just like a customer oriented. Of course, marketing is a customer oriented subject. See, if a company wanted to survive in this competitive market, not only competitive market, it is a cutthroat market. So if any company, just like a startup company or a existed company which is very popular in this market, they should give more importance to the customers. If you want to give more importance to the customers, you should think about what your customer is thinking, and you should think about what type of feedback a customer is giving to your company and brand, and you should need to think about customer tastes and preferences. So these are all possible while you are inside of market. Marketing is a nature of thinking about a customer, and it is purely customer oriented subject. So a subject which is deals about customer, that is the kind of nature is having a marketing. Yes, marketing is purely a customer oriented subject. Always this subject talks about and thinks about customer and customer only. Okay, it is also having some another nature, like it is integrated function. It is a combined function. It is just like a function of taking as a team. Yes, means this kind of nature is marketing. So marketing is always take some support from production department, information and technology, IT department, and finance department, and even HR and other functions and operations departments also. So with the combination of all these departments only, market can do their tasks inside the market. So that is why marketing is having a nature of taking some support from other departments. That is why it is a nature of integrating a function. Okay, and another very important function is nature is it is creativity in nature. Market in a market, marketing is very important, and if you want to survive in this market, you should need to go with some creativity minds. Marketing is purely trendingly nowadays marketing needs some creativity minds. Creativity means marketing, and marketing means creativity. Yeah, see listen carefully. If you take example like previous years, I think if you take example like before 50 years back, at the time we have some barter system. Their products are exchanged by another product. At that system, they are just getting some awareness about another companies or another persons who are producing the things. But after 50 years back, the trend is very different. In previously, they are imagining that marketing means telling and selling. In previously, 50 years back, most of the people and persons who are in the market think that marketing means just telling and selling. Now the era is completely different. So as we are in 21st century, so this type of century, yes, this decade is very different, and this decade is needs some creativity minds. When you are go with some creativity mind, at the time only you have a good platform for surviving. If you forget about uniqueness, if you forget about creativity, yes, the market never gives you future for you. Yes, marketing is having itself a nature of creativity. Okay, so if a subject talks about creativity, that subject is purely related to marketing. So that's why I already told you, marketing means creativity, creativity means marketing. So this kind of nature is having marketing. Okay, so these are all some natures of marketing. Okay, thank you.